Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you a DIY treatment that is ideal to use for taming down any frizz and getting rid of frizz on your hair. And also this is a great treatment for preventing split ends and also if you're combating dryness. And this is the exact oil treatment that I use on my hair right now since I couldn't really trim my ends. So this is the oil treatment that I'm using to preserve my ends. So let's get started. So the first ingredient that I'm going to use is shea butter, and this is great for taming down frizzy hair, and it softens the hair as well because it prevents the hair from drying out and becoming brittle. This is also a good treatment for dry scalp and skin. When I used to have eczema, the shea butter is one of the things that helped cured it. So I really do like using shea butter for my skin and hair. And the next one is almond oil, and as many of you know, this is probably one of my most used and favorite oils to use this year. And this is amazing for softening the hair, preventing frizz, and it is a good conditioner and moisturizer for the hair. The next one is olive oil, and olive oil can help strengthen, add shine to your hair, make your hair more manageable, soothe frizz, helps treat damaged hair, and it also aids in getting rid of tangles on the hair. And this is optional, but I will add in the lavender oil, and this essential oil is ideal for hair growth, and it has the ability to soothe the scalp and help heal dry skin and hair. Alright, so in a bowl I will put in 1 tablespoon of shea butter, and then about 12 tablespoons of the olive oil, 5 tablespoons of the almond oil. So I will just mix them all together, and I actually decided to warm it up a bit just so that the shea butter is going to mix properly with all of the oils, and then about 4 drops of the lavender oil. Also, this is going to make the application process much easier as well. In a container I will put in the oil treatment to store it, and this is what it looks like right now. Now you can adjust the proportion according to what your hair needs at the moment. I find that this treatment works best when you apply it on clean hair. So what I'm going to do is I will soak my hair in it, especially on my ends and on the mid part of my hair. You can always apply this on your scalp if you're dealing with dry scalp or dandruff, but for me my concerns are just my ends. And since I can't trim it, this is what I do to preserve my ends and prevent split ends as well. Now what I'm going to do is I will put my hair inside a plastic bag to let it marinate there. So I'm gonna let this soak on my hair for about 3 hours or even longer because I'm still working. So after I'm done working, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off. And also, since I'm heavily oiling my hair right now, I will be using my Suave Essentials, and this is the daily clarifying shampoo to get rid of just the excess oils of my hair. And on my scalp, I will still be using my bar soap to wash this out. I'm no longer going to use a conditioner because after this, my hair feels very conditioned and it's very soft, so I don't really need to use any conditioner anymore. So I will be right back with the results. Alright, so this is the overall result. I really like how when I use this, it actually kind of straightens and flattens my hair. My hair is naturally straight, but sometimes it has a tendency to have waves, so I really do like how this kind of relaxes my hair. Plus, it always makes my hair feel super soft and moisturized and manageable, and this is something that I really need right now to avoid breakage and split ends. And so far, I find this very effective to use because, especially since I can't trim it right now and I have to wait till September to do it after the long hair photo shoot. So I hope you guys try this out, and this is probably one of my favorite treatments that I have been incorporating into my hair care routine, that I find that is very effective in just moisturizing and conditioning my hair and keeping it from dryness. So that is it, you guys. I hope you like this DIY, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!